Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you could join me today. If you're new here, a big warm welcome to you. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly delicious, quick, and easy recipes. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Your support means the world to me. It keeps me motivated to bring you more amazing recipes. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. The easiest, yummiest pumpkin butter recipe you can make in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 3 minutes. This recipe is perfect for those busy mornings or when you need a quick, delicious spread for your snacks. Perfect for spreading on toast, mixing into yogurt, or just eating by the spoonful. It's versatile and oh so delicious. All right, let's dive right in. I promise, this is going to be super easy and fun. First, let's go over the ingredients. You'll need a few simple items that you probably already have in your pantry. 1 cup of pure pumpkin puree. Make sure it's pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie filling. 1/2 cup of apple juice or cider. This adds a lovely sweetness and depth of flavor. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. This will give our pumpkin butter a rich caramel-like sweetness. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon adds that warm, cozy flavor we all love. 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg gives a subtle, nutty flavor that complements the pumpkin perfectly. 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. Ginger adds a bit of spice and warmth. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Cloves have a strong, aromatic flavor, so a little goes a long way. Got everything? Awesome! Now let's get cooking. Step 1. In a medium saucepan, add your pumpkin puree and apple juice. This is the base of our pumpkin butter. Give it a good stir to combine. Make sure everything is well mixed. Step 2. Add in the brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. These spices will make your kitchen smell amazing. Stir everything together until it's nice and smooth. You want all the ingredients to be well incorporated. Step 3. Place the saucepan over medium heat. This will help all the flavors meld together. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. This is where the magic happens. Make sure you stir it occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom. You don't want any burnt bits in your pumpkin butter. You'll want to let it cook for about 10-15 minutes until it's thickened up beautifully. The consistency should be like a thick, spreadable paste. And there you have it. Your delicious pumpkin butter is ready to enjoy. Spread it on toast, mix it into yogurt, or just eat it by the spoonful. It's that good. You can store it in a jar in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Just make sure it's in an airtight container. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick and easy recipe. It's perfect for fall and makes a great gift too. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future recipes. We've got so many more delicious ideas coming your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking. Bye!